given my consent.
इसने तेरे को भी बोला क्या recording in progress?
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Would you like to introduce yourself?
Okay, is this the energy of the host? Then I'm not doing the show at all. I'm
I
living right now.
cannot become Karan Johar like your
No, I'm
friend.
just saying, Karanjo, you should have a warm welcome
Oh my
for
God!
a
Let's all
guest.
welcome Shovan Mohanty.
Okay, guys, this is Shovan Mohanty, and we know each other for the past 3 years, almost 3 years. It was in the college, MBA first year, 2018, when this woman was hitting on me literally. इतना सोना बच्चा, इतना cute बच्चा है. I want to mother him, pamper him, and everything. Not the other wala, not.
You need to mention यहाँ पे that you were 18 plus during that time. Else, police is going to come to me and take me as a pedophile. So please mention that you were an adult that time.
I was 20. अच्छा ये सब जितने मैंने बात की सब रिकॉर्ड नहीं हो रहा, तो काटने वाले ये सब.
Bloopers
I did it for your show.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Because again, the whole concept of your show is about mental wellness and peace and the serenity that comes with it. So, as we all, not all know about this, but we had a gang where we used to be a part of that gang. And then after the...
This is going online, Goodell.
the...
Few people follow the channel.
No, it's okay. We are part of a group, not gang. Okay, we won't use gang. We're part of a class where there were like different types of groups, and we were one of them. And then again, at the end of the first one, we realized that she, me, and two more other household
देख लो.
Don't worry, Ghazal also falls in that category too, and topping the list. What am I supposed to continue? Like you being the host, you have interrupted me several times while giving my first answer. So
this is not your first answer. You are introducing yourself. This is not even a question. Host को ना एक second. Host को introduce करने के लिए ना guest के पास कुछ achievement होनी चाहिए. The achievements that you have.
Maybe securing a good percentage in +2. Which I didn't expect, and it was the change in my life that I should go outside my hometown and pursue a career and become more confident and meet so many people. Maybe that is one of my achievements.
It started with a very childish statement that scoring good marks is like you consider achievement, but it ended towards a very good note that you came out of your hometown and you wanted to become more confident. And then you're sitting in a place in last 6 years and you just don't want to leave that particular place and you're like, bro, यही रहेगा, मैं यहीं जिएगा, मैं यहीं मरेगा, मैं type.
Moving on.
रोने जा रही हूँ. हाँ, so do you want to tell everyone what is the topic for today?
What's the topic for today?
Topic for today is food and mood. थोड़ा सा detail में.
Can we just talk about the life, right? To talk about food.
You need to accept this fact. तेरी मेरी जिंदगी में खाने के अलावा कुछ नहीं है.
We should talk about this. कि तुम्हारा गजल कहाँ से पढ़ा, क्यों पढ़ा?
Because of my beautiful eyes. Do you want to say something? Exactly. Moving on. Do you want to talk about food and mood, or do you want to just stay on normal bullshit?
If we say so, we can go to deep down inside the mud too for the bullshit.
No, let's stick to food and mood. I have prepared questions for it.
It's light sunny and like it's like cloudy and like.
Goodell, what was your thought?
Thought about what?
I
have many thoughts in my mind right now.
See, the first pointer that I've noted was specifically that when we went to Mayank and when we had that lassi and we had to attend HR analytics की class and हम लोग बिल्कुल मर गए थे.
नहीं, HR analytics तो वो तो again lunch का 1-2 घंटे बाद था. उसके बाद it was our programming.
उतना नहीं. The specific incident that I'm remembering was HR analytics and उससे पहले हम लोग मयंक के ढाबे पे गए थे लस्सी पीने के बाद we were like dying and sitting in our car.
Actually, we have this restaurant called Mayank Restaurant. It's actually a dhaba kind of thing, which and I have been in Dehradun for more like 3 years before our MBA. So I always wanted these girls to come and try the food there, and they're like, "Oh, how much?"
You do realize you were not the first person who took us to Mayank. Before I went with you, I had gone to Mayank.
Oh yeah, let's talk about that.
A few moments later.
हम कहाँ थे? I just
Mayank.
lost it. हाँ, तो मयंक पे. So at Mayank, this is the tasty. Okay, I'm now again drooling. They used to serve this tasty, spicy chicken egg noodles along with thick lassi. Guys, please don't judge us for our eating habits or our eating choices. So she had a paratha, I guess, and I had noodles. And then for our meetha, we ordered lassi for everyone, and it was like thick lassi. And
Chatta did not order lassi. Lassi सिर्फ तूने मैंने order करी थी.
नहीं, उसने पी थी.
उसने पी थी,
तभी
but she
उसको
did
भी-
not order. उसने ऑर्डर नहीं करी थी अपने लिए. उसने ऑर्डर करी होती तो वो भी मौत में होती हमारे साथ. सिर्फ तू और मैं मौत में थे उसमें.
So she was.
नहीं, she was not.
First time
Sure.
everybody drank.
हाँ,
First time everybody drank. Second time, I guess she just skipped it.
Second time.
So after having a lassi, like it was like internal bliss, like we are attending. But उसके बाद हमें पता नहीं था कि that we have to go and attend our class, which was supposed to be from 2 o'clock. And we had completed our dinner. We had completed our lunch by 1:30, 1:40, and then we went in to college for our class, and we had class from 2 to 4 p.m. And you guys won't believe.
We have to give the basic description of the classroom also. If the classroom was hot, it would have been sort of been better. ठीक है, हमारे सर पे AC चल रहा था. You need to realize this thing. पूरा माहौल सोने का बन रहा था.
It was like a very cozy.
It was
It was
very
the
difficult.
computer lab, and you guys must be knowing that the computer is like very cozy and like very much. There is
हमारा हुआ क्या था? What happened at the end of the 2 hours? We went home and slept.
okay again. Without mentioning the teacher's name, the subject was very boring and it was not getting to our heads. And after lunch, to bilkul bhi nahi. We are like into that food coma wala stage. Like we had also food.
Have we mentioned the subject's name? Because if we have mentioned the subject's name, everybody knows.
Yeah, you have already mentioned. Guys who watch Friends, like if you have seen Chandler saying that I can sleep with my eyes open, we're literally doing that.
Yeah, we did that.
And so essay sir. ऐसे होता था like
Yeah,
that was kind of our guilty pleasure, having lassi in our lunch and then having the
going to class.
audacity to come and attend
Attend
lectures
the class.
post that.
I know. अच्छा ठीक है. Okay. One of the questions that I have is a very genuine question. What is the go-to food that you have when you're like hungry plus angry? What is the one particular thing that you want?
I guess it's hands down Chinese and momos.
I'll tell you something. Apart from Pearl, Rizma, nobody's
And we should
interested in watching how
have
you
a
and me
4 wala
react.
meeting. No, we shouldn't have the 4 wala meeting. Then again, I am the
You will be roasted.
target of all 3 of them. No. We shouldn't be doing that.
I'm so happy that you realized this. Asking some genuine questions now. Go back into your childhood and tell me.
Genuine questions.
Go back into your childhood and remember the first particular dish जिसको खाने के बाद तेरा ये reaction था, भाई, I can have this for the rest of my life.
I had started eating food by myself by the age of 5. So my father used to get chicken pieces, and back then it was real craving for this tangri kebab and like eating the whole chicken, like the leg piece, yeah, holding it like this and eating it because till by that time we just used to see this in the cartoons like Tom and Jerry or Scooby-Doo. Just to use big chicken and पकड़ के ऐसे खाने का Popeye जो भी सब चैनल था. तो like literally I have seen a leg piece, like it has a bone, and I mean you guys must be knowing something, but still back then I'm talking from a 5 years old point of view. So my mother used to cook this tasty chicken pakoda of the whole leg piece or the whole chicken curry with paratha. Okay, now I'm feeling I'm missing home now. So that was the first food that I started eating, and my love for chicken started back then. I can never ever get tired of eating chicken.
What is one particular thing that you can very easily give up on in food?
In food?
हाँ, जैसे let's say you said कि you only like non-veg. So out of non-veg category, what is one particular thing? What is one particular dish? जैसे तूने बोला chicken, like pieces, and you like chicken gravy, and like there are different kind of recipes. Like butter chicken, tandoori chicken, this and that, right? So what is one particular dish that you can very easily give up on?
Normal chicken curry, I can give up.
जो घर में बनती है chicken curry.
हाँ, मतलब घर में मतलब कभी-कभी I can have it. Like I am from Odisha, so like Odisha, the people back there.
तुम लोग की chicken curry is very tasty.
I know, मतलब it's like a normal chicken curry. We put potatoes in that and we have it with steamed rice. Like we can. Can we continue? Can you go on to the next question?
See, the basic topic was.
Are we supposed to have a quiz? Are we supposed to win a hamper? Nothing of that sort. No funny thing.
This is not coffee with Karan.
Moving on.
Oh my God. Do we have any other thing to talk? या मैं जाऊँ?
तुमने अभी starting of the interview she said that उसने मेरा नाम लिख के questions बनवाए हैं and I have heard only 2 questions till now.
I have 2 more pointers. Wait, I'll go back to that page. I have 2 more pointers. One pointer is if something is exciting, how let's say your mood is bad.
We can make it a bit fun. We can make it a bit fun. Don't put this on the video. Just edit this part. That we won't go by the Karan Johar wala system, but you can ask me tough questions or choices between food items, which people would like to know कि इसको क्या पसंद है as a बंदा and क्या है like.
I have asked that. कि क्या I am not going to do that.
Creativity level 0.
See, copying somebody else is not creativity, okay?
It's not copying someone. I said it's not copying.
मेरा अगला pointer ये था कि if at all there is something exciting in your life, like you are something, let's say, तुझे शाम को घूमने जाना है, ठीक है? Knowing you, knowing me, we both get excited मसूरी जाने के लिए. तुम्हारा तो अलग ही level हो जाता है. You're like, I am going to मसूरी.
And for the audience who don't know, हम लोग आज मसूरी के साथ गए नहीं. She never said yes to me, and हम लोग का plans कभी नहीं बना. And she went with other fellow mates, which was supposed to be her that time part-time best friends. उनके साथ she went to Mussoorie, and I have never gone to Mussoorie with her. So.
But we met in Mussoorie, right? See, this video is going out to your friends also. You have gone to Mussoorie telling your friends that you were going out with me and Himanshu. The one particular time you went to Mussoorie with your friends.
हम एक बार गए थे. नहीं, I just said कि हम दोनों अकेले की मसूरी नहीं गए घूमने.
Must save that. Don't save now. You are out.
She was a very nice person. She's a very nice company. She feeds me well. Like हम लोग वहाँ चिकचोले गए थे. She went out and out of the way उसको पता है कि मुझे पसंद है. Like पूरे crowd से निकल के she मुझे खींच के लेके आए. She made me eat a whole brownie, a hot chocolate. Like she's a very. I stayed at the starting of the show now. She had this motherly instinct.
Shut up. I randomly called you asking where you were.
Whatever happens in Mussoorie stays in Mussoorie. So. Moving on. Moving on.
और तेरा मुंह. No, we are not moving on. This is going off like.
To be very honest, I swear on Chico that I what I call my chicken.
Nobody here. हाँ, okay, fine, okay, we did that. ठीक है.
तो जो मैंने dialogue मारा कि whatever stays in Mussoorie stays in मतलब whatever happens in Mussoorie stays in Mussoorie. हाँ, तो वो मैंने अपने context में बोला, but then again Gaza Srivastava seems to have taken it to the other वाला aspect, which I later realized, and I genuinely saying this कि बाद में कि okay what it meant and what it sounded and what you have thought.
It was nice having you on this episode.
But I don't want to go.
It was nice. No, I'm fucking sending you off. No. I'm sending you off. हो गया.
तुम तो धोखेबाज हो वादा करके भूल जाते हो.
Also, I might ask you to give the interview again with a better.
I am a very busy person. I can't give you my time. I have other commitments too. This is not going in our video. You are.
No, this is definitely going in the video.